soos ek dieper in die game van skaak gegaan het ek gesien daar's so baie benefits. I took out a book on chess and I taught myself how to play. I was hospitalized and at the time I was paralyzed. Ek het nooit dat my conditie vir my onderkry. I want to create therapy programs through chess.
Creating a positive, inclusive learning environment that promotes growth, confidence, and self-esteem is what drives Morden Kibiru, a chess coach and founder of Kings and Queens Therapy Chess, based in Paarl, Western Cape. After a harrowing experience of being diagnosed with ADEM, he has since recovered and gone on to be an accredited FIDE instructor and obtain his school instructor title with the International Chess Federation in 2023. With a deep passion for making a change by providing children with a positive community where they can find comfort and confidence, Morden has committed himself to sharing the transformative power of chess with children, particularly those facing similar challenges that he did growing up. Morden will share more about his journey and endeavors with us today. Good day and thank you for joining us, Morden. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you, Jason. Michelle?
I'm great, man. I'm great. Nice to have you here. You have a long resume with background filled with layers of experience. Morden, can you tell us where your passion for chess started and why chess in particular?
My passion for chess started when I was 27 years old. And at the time, I was looking for a hobby and just to manage my stress and anxiety. So I went to the library. I took out a book on chess and I taught myself how to play. I've learned by myself. And little did I know that chess will have its impact on my life because I just thought of it as a hobby. But then, soos ek dieper in die game van skaak gegaan het ek gesien daar's so baie benefits wat skaak bied. En is bijvoorbeeld develop your cognitive abilities, your problem solving skills en ook net jou critical thinking en jou mental well-being. So skaak het vir my baie gehelp en dit was net vir my soos daai veilige plek waarna jy toe kan gaan net om 'n escape te kry wanneer dinge 'n bietjie moeiliker raak en so dat dit later vir my meer as net 'n hobby geword because ek kon altyd my mind kalmeer as ek skaak speel. En die rede hoekom ek skaak gekies het is omdat skaak chess has this unique ability to promote cognitive development, the social skills, and also the emotional well-being of people. And also because of the universal language. So skaak, ons weet skaak is reg oor die hele wêreld. Almal speel dit en dit breek cultural en socio-economic barriers. En ook omdat die game baie strategy require, baie patience, jy weet, en perseverance, maak dit die ideal tool om vir jou karakter op te bou, character development, ook jou personal growth. En dis die rede hoekom ek skaak gekies het.
That's very interesting, Morden. I would love for us to discuss this further. However, you have many life experiences, one of which is ADEM. For those of us who do not understand or are unfamiliar with the term ADEM, could you explain what it is and share your experience with it, please?
ADEM or IDEM is an autoimmune disease. So it affects the brain and the spinal cord or the nervous system. So I was diagnosed with freedom at a young age and I was hospitalized and at the time I was paralyzed. So wat gebeur het toe ek in die hospitaal was, het ek kon nie loop nie en dit het ook my visie en my spraak dit ook effekteer. So ek kon nie lekker sien nie, ek kon ook nie reg praat nie. En ek het wel recover van uitdaging en dat het wel 'n experience nagelaat because nou het dit my gelos met 'n disability en waarmee ek op die oomblik sukkel of hoe het my lewe nou impakteer of die feit wat dit nou het is dat ek nou baie ongoing health challenges het. So ek het issues met my gesondheid as gevolg van uitdaging because dat het agtergehou. Physical tremors. Ek het ook issues met my balans. issues met spraak en my visie. So normale goedjies wat mense doen, soos om 'n glas water vas te hou. Vir my het ek 'n tremor en dis 'n bietjie vir my 'n uitdaging om daardie tipe dinge te doen. En as ek stap, dan gaan ek soms van balans af. My bene is swak en dit is die tipe goed waarmee ek nou deel. Alhoewel ek fully recovered het dit nou daai tipe van disability agtergelaat. En dit was vir my baie moeilik geweest ongelukkig op 'n vroeë ouderdom toe ek siek was, veral in skool. Ons weet hier's daar baie ons probleme op skole met bullying en ek was baie geboelie as gevolg van my kondisie. So baie het my gemok, uitgelag en naam genoem as gevolg van hoe ek loop, omdat ek different move, omdat ek 'n tremor het. En dit was vir my baie difficult om daarmee saam te leef. Maar ek het probeer cope op my beste, altyd te glo in myself. En ek het nooit dat my kondisie vir my onderkry nie. Want ek glo dat die fyn nie vir my nie. En hoe ek oor dit gekom het is omdat ek glo in myself, het ek my experiences gevat en ek het dit gedeel met ander mense sodat dit kan help met dinge waardeur hulle gaan. Because ek voel my experience kan ook ander mense help as ek dit met hulle deel. So ja.
Amazing. Overcoming all this speaks volumes of the character of the man, considering that you became an accredited FIDE instructor and work closely with students across the Western Cape. Morden, can you share one or two or so of your stories of becoming an instructor and your work with young people in the province?
Um, I have a few memorable experiences. Um, I've started coaching. So I had a group of students when I went to primary schools in Paarl, Magnolia Primary, um, and it's also in a disadvantaged community. So many of the children never played chess before in their life, and but with patience and encouragement, het hulle die game begin geraas en hulle het begin verstaan hoe skaak weer en hulle het eintlik baie vinnig geleer om so te sê kinders leer baie gou. En om te sien hoe hulle confidence begin groei en om te sien wat 'n positiewe impak dit het op hulle lewens was vir my baie rewarding om te sien hoe daardie selfvertroue kan groei in sulke jong kinders. En ook as ek moet aanraak iets wat vir my baie uitgestaan het in een van my experiences was toe ek het nou net genoem oor die issue wat ons het met bullying in ons skole en daar was 'n spesifieke leerder wat ek gevat het. Hy het 'n history gehad van bullying en hy het altyd sy peers geboelie. Hy het gesukkel met sy anger management en hy was baie impulsive geweest. So ek het gedink ek gaan nou kyk hoe hy gaan deel met dit as hy begin skaak speel. So ek het hom toegelaat om deel van die program te wees en ek het skaak kom geleer en dat 'n remarkable ding gebeur en wat skaak gedoen is, hy het begin patience bou. Hy was baie meer geduldig en hy het baie meer beter kommunikeer. Hy het sy impulse beter beheer en hy het gedink voor hy iets doen waar hy gewoonlik sal uitbars en natuurlik um, mense begin boelie of hy sal begin lelike taal gebruik, maar sy kommunikasie het verbeter, hy het meer geduld gehad en sy karakter het eintlik baie gegroei van hy was baie meer respekvol geweest. Hy was 'n respekvol member van die chessklas op stadium. So dit het regtig sy hele behavior gechange.
Amazing. What are your long-term goals as a chess coach, Morden? How do you see your program evolving? What are you currently doing to expand your reach and your audience?
Ja, so my long-term goals is om 'n netwerk van 6 programme te establish, therapy programs. I will not say right across South Africa, but that's basically what I want to envision. But for now, in my communities, I want to create therapy programs through chess for children of different backgrounds, children living with disabilities, and children with a lot of challenges growing up. So I want to develop a comprehensive curriculum in programs that incorporates life skills and emotional intelligence, and also character development so that we can help our children in our communities. Also, what I envision uh, I reach is to partner with schools. I want to partner with clinics, community organizations, to plan on resources and training programs for educators as well, or coaches, chess coaches, so that we can integrate chess therapy into their work, and also ultimately to create a model where it could be replicated, maybe like in other provinces as well.
That sounds great. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to meet with us for this important discussion. National Citizen News and Media extends its best wishes for your efforts and future endeavors. If you would like to see more National Citizen News and Media, please visit our website at nationalcitizen.co.za.